Hey everyone, welcome back to the video walkthrough here with 66 Property. Today I'm at a very cool house in a very special neighborhood. This is a modern pool villa, 3-bedroom, 240 square meters, nice, bright, white. But what I really want to showcase to you today is this road. Notice something different about this road that you don't really see in other places in Thailand. Tell me if you see anything different. I'll tell you what it is. There are no cables, no electrical cables in this street. All the cables are buried underground. You wouldn't even know that you're in Thailand right now. There's no cables. It looks so beautiful. Plus you have this avenue of trees just casting shade on this quiet street. And check this out, this new build just across the road. I don't want to distract from the current property, but this is currently being built right now and is also going to be rented out. But this street in general in Nong Hoi area has a lot of modern houses here. We have the swimming pool area right here. So plenty of space, nice white tiling here. Let's go inside. All right, here we are. So as you come into the living room area here, it's combined open plan living room, dining, and kitchen. And here you even have a little bit of special arrangement here. So if you do have a party, you actually can have a lot of people. This is really the perfect party house. You can really host a ton of people, whether they're standing by the bar over here, by the breakfast bar, or cooking, or sitting here in a group of friends, just, hanging out, drinking, eating, or if you just want to lounge around, it's just perfect. Really great. Nice colors, nice theme. Let me show you the kitchen real quick over here. So pretty standard kitchen. You have these open space cabinets here, or shelves I should say. Standard cooker, gas cooker. Let me do a quick pan here showing everything. Alright, so I told you it's a 3-bedroom place. As I said, 240 square meters, 32 square meter swimming pool. Let's go into the downstairs bedroom. There's 1 bedroom downstairs and 2 upstairs. So you have this 1 guest bedroom, and you can even walk out to the pool from here, and you have the shared bathroom over here. With a shower, closed shower, which is nice. Here, let me walk over here. Hope you're not getting too dizzy with this camera work. And there is a wardrobe over here for clothes. All right, let's go upstairs. So we're in Nong Hoi area. It's actually pretty close to the airport. Only about 10 minutes drive, 5-10 minutes drive to there. This is storage, and in the storage there is actually a washing machine as well, and even a little bit of access to outside, but it's a little bit low. And this is the view from inside. I mean, you don't notice at first, but look, no cables at all. I mean, if I was looking out at this view right now in a picture, I'd be thinking we're, somewhere in Europe, America, definitely not in Thailand. All right, let's go upstairs. All right, here we are. Give you a little look here. Nice lamp fixtures. Let's go straight into the master bedroom. So as you come in, you have shelf space, wardrobe space over here. There should be a table here, but there is a makeup mirror, one of those Hollywood types. But I think if you, as long as you just put a table here as well and mount this up, I think they're going to do that. They just haven't really gotten around to it. You have your own little balcony over here as well that connects to the big terrace over there, the big patio. Let me show you the bedroom. Here you go. It's not massive, it's not huge, but look at this over here, guys. Look at this. Look at this bathroom and this tub. And let me show you the view. One sec over here. You can be sitting here and looking up at that beauty of a mountain with lots of green just below, you know, giving you that sense of you are in northern Thailand, you are in Chiang Mai. I know someone who would love taking a bath in here every night. All right, here we have the shower room with the rain shower. Yeah, beautiful. Really like it. All right, let's go to the other bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. And again, it's very similar in style. You have the wardrobe. So I'm trying to pan around and show you guys everything. So here again you have the floor to ceiling windows, and you may wake up to a beautiful mountain view. And in the morning time, it's going to be even more stunning because the sun will be shining on the mountain from the east and really truly illuminating it up. All right, and then we have the big patio. Now over here, they've actually installed double doors, which makes the room totally soundproof because you do have air conditioners out here. So to make sure you have total peace and quiet here, there are two heavy-duty doors. I cannot hear the air conditioners. See the difference? And that is the patio there. These are heavy. But we can go out for a second. So here you could have, now it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon right now. So you could easily have, you know, the owner could easily put out some outside furniture for you here. So you do have some outside space, but I could imagine you'd be down by the pool a lot more. Check it out. Wireless Road, Chiang Mai. All right, let's go inside. So this is currently for rent. And there is a lot of there are a lot of nice houses in this Muban actually. So it would be a nice place to even live. But come on, who doesn't want to live? Who doesn't want to live on a road with no cables? We've all been dreaming about it. We never thought it would be possible, but it could be possible for you. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to check out this house, possibly rent it, and, you know, really enjoy life, then please do get in touch with us here at 66 Property. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.